Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and take out the textbook, running notes, and sit properly on your videos and all. Okay. In yesterday's class, we discussed about decimals. How to write decimal form, how to write fraction form, how to write mixed decimal form, and how to write mixed fraction form. Yesterday's class, we learned these topics. Okay, in today's class, I am going to explain decimals, expanded form, short form, and place value chart of decimal numbers. Place value chart of decimal numbers. First, place value chart of decimal numbers. Draw the scale. Okay? Use scale and draw the box. Draw the chart. Place value chart. See children here. Ones, tens, hundreds. You know already in whole numbers how to write place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Like that in whole numbers, in general numbers. Next, in decimal numbers, place value chart. Tenth, hundredth, thousandth. Tenth, hundredth, thousandth. Tenth, hundredth. Next, thousandth. Tenth, hundredth, thousandth. But in general numbers, whole numbers, we have to write ones, tens, hundreds only. But in decimal numbers, point after digits, point after decimal point after digits are decimal numbers. For these numbers, place value chart is 10, 100, 1000. Now, ones, tens, hundreds. Tenth means 1 by 10. Yes, am I right or not? 1 by 10. Next, 1 by 100. Next, 1 by 1000. In decimal numbers, units place not having. Just ones place is not there. Only tenth. Tenth, hundredth and thousandth and 10,000th like that having. Okay? Tenth, hundredth and thousandth. Which fractions are having denominators 10, 100, 1000? Those fractions are called decimal fractions. Then we have to write in decimal numbers also. How can we write in decimal number in 1 by 10? 0.1. This one 0.001. This is 1 by 1000 equal to 1 by 1000 equal 0.001. 0.001. 100 1 by 100 equal to in decimal number. These are decimal numbers. 0.01. 0.1 equal to 1 by 10. Remaining as is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds is no need to change it. But here 1 by 10, tenth, 1 by 10, 0.1. This number name and fraction form and decimal form. 100th, 1 by 100, 0.01. Next 1 by 1000, 1000 at 0.001. This is the place value chart of decimal numbers. Okay, this is the place value chart of decimal numbers. For example, now I am taking one number. 343 point, decimal point 652. See this number. Children, all of you listen carefully. Listen to me. How I am reading decimal numbers also. Once you observe, children, 343 point before number, decimal point before numbers, before number, number. That is 343. 343 is 3-digit number. 3-digit number, 100 number. We can read with hundreds. That is 343. And here, this is whole number. Okay. Next, point after. Decimal point after digit wise. We have to read digit wise. Don't read number. Don't read 652. Stop the writing and listen first. Manisha, Vandana Varshita, Sopari Venu. Don't write Amma. I will send pic. Don't write now. Abhinay. Harini is there. Abhinay not there. Where is Abhinay? Abhinay. Okay. 343 is whole number. Here, 3-digit number. This number is 3-digit number, 100 number. We can read with 100. 343. This is whole number part. This part is whole number part. That is point before number. Okay, point before number. This point is decimal point. This point is decimal point. Point after numbers, not number. Numbers, digits. Here 652. Don't read 652. Okay, 343 point, decimal point 652. 652. 6 is in 10th place. 10th. 6 is in 10th place. 5 is in 100th place. And 2 is in 1000th place. Next here 3 is in 1's place. 4 is in 10th place. 3 is in 100th place. Okay, now I'm taking here 8. Don't confuse. Okay. 8 is in 1's place. 8 is in 1's place. So place value is place value 8. Okay, 8 is in 1's place. So place value is 8. Next is here 4 is in 10's place. 10's place. Place value is place value is 40. 4 tens are 40. Next 3 is in hundreds place. 1's, 10's, hundreds. Hundreds place. Hundreds place. So place value is place value 300. 300. Okay. Next 6. 6 is in 10th place. Here 6 is in 10th place. 6 is in 10th. 10th place. 10th place. Place value is place value is 6 by 10. 0.6. Place value is 6 by 10 as 0.6. Next 5. 5 is in 100th place. Here I am writing. 5 is in 5 5 is in 100th place. Hundredth place. Next, place value is 5 by 100. 5 by 100, 0.05. Next number is 2. 2 is in 1000th place. 1000th place. Next, place value is 2 by 1000. 2 by 1000, 0.002. 0.002. Now these number 348.652. How can we write expanded form? I said here only place and place value. Which place is that? What is the place value of number? Yes. Next, what is the expanded form of this number? .652 expanded form is 300 plus 40 plus 8 plus 6 by 10 plus 5 by 100 and 2 by 1000. This is the expanded form of this number. The expanded form. Okay, 348.652. 300. Okay, 3 is in hundreds place. So 300s. 4 is in tens place. 40. Next 8 is in ones place. So 8. 300 plus 40 plus 8. Next these numbers. Point after numbers. Point after digits. Decimal numbers. 652. 6 is in 10th place. So 6 by 10. Place value is 6 by 10. Next 5 is in 100th place. So we have to write 5 by 100. Next 2 is in 1000th place. So 2 by 1000. Okay. 300 plus 40 plus 8 plus 6 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. Write down. This one write down. Hello. For 10 minutes. I think. Yes. Okay, children. What is the place value and what is the place of number? Here given decimal number. What is the place of number and place value of number? Did you understand, Amma? In this topic, if you have any doubt, ask me once. I said only here place value chart. Place value chart ones, tens, hundreds. Next 10th, 100th, 1000th. The 10th is 1 by 10. That is 0.1. Next 1 by 100 is 100th. 0.01. Next 1 by 1000 is 0.001 thousandth. Okay. Next. Now here one number. Example of one number. See this number 348.652. Here 8 is in first 348 is whole number, general number. Point after number is decimal number. Decimal numbers. Okay, here 8 is 348 is whole number, that is general number. So we have to write 8 is in ones place. Next, Are Maheshwari, what are you doing, Amma? 8 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. You know already what is the place value of these numbers in whole numbers, and expanded form also you know already. First, second units you learned that one. Okay. Next, point after numbers are decimal numbers. Point after numbers are decimal numbers. Those numbers What is the place value of 6? What is the place value of 5? What is the place value of 2? Place is 6 place is 10th place. 5 place is 100th place. 2 place is 1000th place. So 6 place value is 6 by 10. 5 place value is 5 by 100. 2 place value is 2 by 1000. Then how can we write the expanded form? In whole numbers or decimal numbers, we have to write with place values of numbers, sum of the place value of numbers. That is only expanded form. So I written that one only. 300 plus 40 plus 8 plus 6 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. That is only expanded form of this number. Okay. Did you understand? If you have any doubt, raise your hand. In only place value chart and place value and place and expanded form, I said these topics only in today's class. Only I explained the place value chart and place of numbers and place value of numbers. Next, how can we write expanded form? I said these one only. And next in tomorrow class, I will explain exercise. In exercise what given problems, I will explain those problems. In today, what I said that once you practice children, once you practice and once you read also. In your textbook also you read decimal unit once you read out. Okay, next about worksheet. Take out the worksheet. Do you have doubt in worksheet day 1, day 2? Did you complete day 1, day 2? Yes. But why did not send pics? Meshana, did you complete, Amma? No doubt. In worksheet also you don't have doubts. Okay. First, once again I will explain, children. Day 1. First, day 1, only numbers and number names given. Only numbers and number names given. First bit. Revision. Write the number names from 50 to 100. Only numbers and number names. You write numbers and number names in first day 1. Next day 2. Here given place value of numbers. Just you have to write place value of numbers only. What is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 6 in given number? Okay, just you have to write place value. Next, for remaining numbers also you write what is the place value of number. Just you have to complete. Next, about day 3. Yes, children, what is the day 3 worksheet? Predecessor, that is first bit. Second bit is number name given. Next, third bit is again place value only given. Okay? Just first bit is predecessor. Predecessor means before number. You write before number. Okay, Vandana Varshita sent. Okay. Mani Chandana said already. Totally completed. Okay, children. Predecessor number means just you have to write before number of given number. Just you have to write before numbers. Next, second bit is number name. Write number name, spelling. What is that number name? 7,834. 7 spelling write down and 1000 spelling and 8 and hundreds 34 write down. Next is place value of given numbers on abacus. Let us see how to represent a number on abacus and its place value. Just draw the abacus sign. You draw. This is the abacus. This is the abacus. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. First, 4 2 3 4. 4,234. Just you have to show in ones place 4 is there, so you have to draw 4 beads. Next in tens place 3 beads and ones tens place 2 beads. Next, in ones place 4 beads, in tens place 3 beads, in hundreds place 2 beads, and thousands place 4 beads. Okay, that is only answer. You have to draw here same like that only. Here given place you complete. Okay, next on worksheet and on this decimal, place value chart and place values and expanded form. These topics and on worksheet. If you have any doubt, raise your hand, children. Anybody? Doubt? Do you have doubt? Anybody have doubt? Raise your hand in your mobile. No doubt. Sure. Really no doubts? Okay. Okay, children. In tomorrow class, I will explain next day-wise worksheet and exercise problems also I will explain. Okay, children? I hope today's class you understand. Okay, children? Thank you, children.